Hey, what's up, everybody? Night 4. Let's make it count. What's up, Denny? Look at my shirt, baby. This is it right here. Look at this shirt, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Boom. Wow, unbelievable. What a day. What a day. Market does not want to go down. Once I got those buy reversals on the 30-minute time frame, oh my God. Hey, what's up, Trunks Trader, ICT, Outs, Brooklyn Mountain Trader? Let's go. We got to get to 1,000 views here. This is our 6th week. Is this 6th week or 7th week? I don't even know anymore. 6th. How are you, everybody? What a day in gold. Oh, my God. Beautiful patterns on the gold. Beautiful. David Z8. Anybody new here? Put a 1, please. Let's do this. Denny's here, baby. Denny's got, there he is. A lot of new people here. Tommy Kane, Nortair, Otis, ICT, 6 was it? 67 week? No. I think it's the 7th. 6th week? All right. Mickey Man, how are you? Kaboosh. No, right now it's kaboom. S&P's making new highs. Nasdaq's making new highs here. When we came in, the 15-minute time frame on the gold got deeply oversold on the 15-minute. Beautiful long. I think, Denny, you're going to do something special tonight. I'm going to do 30 giveaways. You know, I don't understand this. I've given away 160 7-day free trial to my live stream. 7 days free, nanosecond, like that. Boom. And I only got like 20 signups. I may not do this anymore. I'm trying to help you all out. I just don't get it. What's up, Andrew Knapp, Mike Jacques, Devin, Thomas? How are you? How are you guys? Woo-wee! It's Thursday, baby. Sharino, how are you? I would take the short here, a small short scalp on gold, 40 up to like 47. Okay, look to take a short scalp here. Chip Smith, congratulations, yo to the low. It's such a great stream. Now, people are saying there's a delay. Denny, why is there a delay of like 20 seconds? You know about that? I don't know. I think it's on mine. Right. Yep. All right, I think Aaron's going to fix it out. So first of all, let's see here. Shally J6, Stephen, thank you for introducing gold and teaching me how to be profitable. Past my third eval and one more day. You should join my live stream every day, Shally J. We'll really kill it together. Okay, we'll really. Someone but just arrived home. I'll fill it. Okay, good because it's going to expire. Danny, where to sign up for the giveaway? Danny, they're already asking for the giveaway sign up. These people are hungry tonight. No, for you. Oh, all right. Well, we got to post it. Aaron's got to post it. Someone said, someone, someone said here, I'm on nanosecond during the day, and anybody who's trading during the day, I mean, um, Chris W. I gave you a little gift last night. Okay, good buddy. Don't forget it expires. If you short this gold, look to cover 38 to 39 and a half. Just look to take a scalp here. like Scott. ICT NGL, how are you? Raphael Trades, no caboose today. Griffin Trend, Strange Trader. A lot of new people here, Denny. What's going on, good buddy? I know. We got to get this stream up. Seriously, we got to get this stream up to 1,000. Look at it. Nasdaq S&P's getting cabooshed. All right, that's what I'm talking. That's what I'm talking. That's what I'm talking here. If this gold gets another push up here, 42.80 up to 50.80, I would look to short it. Look at this gold. This gold was some moves today. Some moves. We got Christy, who's a federal employee. Okay. All right. All right. And anybody wants to reach out to me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. I think gold's going to pick it up. Hello from Chicopee, Massachusetts. Dan Trader. Hello from Jupiter, Florida. I'm never leaving here. Rock and Roll JL Trading 111. Good day. Good day today. Kaboom on gold. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, how the hell is the Nasdaq S&P up near the highs, all-time highs? Don't ask me. It's the eighth wonder of the world. Okay? How about this, Prince Hassan? How about this Tesla? This Tesla reverses to buy. Let me show you this Tesla. Got to show this to you here. Once Tesla, look at these patterns on Tesla here. So Tesla, we had the great shorts here, 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 here. Then we got the push up. Once the 15-minute time frame reversed to buy, I knew that there was a great chance, okay, that the lows were in for the day. Then once the 30-minute reversed to buy here, okay, what do you look to do? You buy the pullbacks on the 3, on the 5. Here's a pullback right here, and here's the real big pullback right here. Here's a real big pullback right here. All right, here's a real big pullback. Look at this, below 442, and it ran $7. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Again, I will be switching to micros here on the gold. I hope you guys realize that. Gold is in a big uptrend. You can see gold here. This was a really great long the minute I walked in here. You can see the 30 minutes bullish, the 15. Look at this oversold condition against the 15, against the 30 and 60. If you look at the 30-minute time frame, okay, right here, we're in a positive trend. So we got to watch this gold here. Again, just take a small scalp short here. Look to cover anywhere between the 41.80 and the 43.80 range. Dragon Trader, how are you, Dragon Trader? How about that gold last night? I said when we were long, I said look to buy the gold. What I say, like 84.5 to 91.5, 92.5, or 81.5 to 89.5. Gold got down to 84.5, and I said, be careful, don't be short. The 60-minute time frames are going to turn up. And what happened? Kaboom! 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 Gold, beautiful, off that 15. Of course, all these patterns set up right as we're about to start. Look at this, 745. I'm seeing this big push up here. Gold, oil getting kabooshed here. Oil. All right, let's just see if this gold can get somewhat of a drop here. Got what's called a triple Lindy here. All right, Arton, let's go, Arton. Libby Do, how are you? Yeah, you can look to cover this gold anywhere. Just scalp it, 41.80 to 44.80 here. Just look to see if gold up to 4,500 tonight. I don't know about that. It could. We'll see what happens though. Gold about to dump. I want to see a pullback. Remember, gold's in a positive trend here. Okay. Shout out to Arton. It's Arton, not Artan. Okay. All right. Rodrigo Gofawita. How are you? I hope I'm saying it right. DJLX 808. Aloha. Aloha. Okay. All right. All right. Let's do this, everybody. Okay. Gold and silver, I think, is going to be active tonight here. All right. Cyber King. Anybody trade crypto here? Anybody? Anybody trade crypto? And those of you who are on my TikTok, you need to be in my funded futures to sign up for the free giveaways. Bada boom! 11-11. How's your training work? Well, I train every day from 9 to 5 in my live stream. You got to go to sktrading.live. That's my website. Okay? Fiberspace God. Let's do this. Can we get to 1,000? Everybody, just share the link. Call your cousins. Arton just called his cousins. Dodgers in 6. That's what I think. Is gold a buy disconnect? Yes. But that's a hey Connor, that's a buy. Dodgers in 6. Where's Hugo? Hugo texted me today and got some freaking payout. Unbelievable. So proud of my Hugo. So proud. So proud. So proud. 4180 on the gold. Probably. Could get there. Could get there. You got to cover this short here. 4280 to 4480, 4580 if it drops. You got the 5-minute time frame reversing here. All right. S&Ps just got kabooshed and doesn't rally too. Did you see one point today the S&Ps dropped 20 and then ran 20? I'm telling you. Okay, Joel, you caught the short in the NASDAQ. Good job.
Stephen, can I interrupt real quick?
What's that? Yeah.
Hey, chat, I'm only going to say this once. I better not see no negativity in the chat or you're getting booted for tonight. Got it?
What happened?
Not that. I just see a message that I don't like.
Where? I didn't see that.
It's already gone.
Oh. How do you know we are in a positive trend? Since we're in a positive trend right now. You're talking gold? Oh, because you got to look at the 30 and here's the gold short. Because you got to look at the 30. The way my methodology works is a 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame. Denny, text me what that person said. I want to know what's going on here. If you don't mind. I don't like this. Hugo, look at the gold drop. There you go. Come on, guys. You guys got to be. This is a place, man, where look at this gold drop. Look to be covering shorts, 4280, 4580 range. What do I mean by 4180? I didn't say 4180. I said look to cover. So I'm giving the range 4280. I didn't say 4180. 4280 to cover shorts between 4580. I don't say the full 40, 41, 4280 to 41, 4580. I'm just going the last two numbers. Okay? All right? Too much drama. That's what I'm saying. Concept nature, the Sun Seated Trader. No, not boom. Kabooshed. The Sun Seated Kaboom is if you go up. Okay? Kaboom is if you go up. Kaboosh if you go down. All right? Good vibes, everybody. Let's go. Nice short there. Okay. Look at this gold drop. Wow. Kabooshed. Kabooshed. You train psychology? Oh my God. Not really, but I could help you out with that. No drama. No drama. Okay, go Chargers. I think gold gets another push up. I agree, there it goes. I said you're going to get a push up. I just took my eye off it. Should have bought that pattern on the 5. What did you just get down to? 40. Oh, 41. Wow. All right. We'll watch it here. Mustafa Ashin. How are you, bro? I love you back. Gold to 41.75. I can see that. The Trader's Nest. How are you? Hey, Jennifer Cross. You took silver too? Well, they probably went down the same. Well, I mean, they were a great short. The LA Dodgers, how are you? It's called Scotch Therapy. That's a good one. I agree. How are you? Can we get this stream up to 1,000, please? Come on. Can we just do that? Come on. Enough is enough. Let's go. In and out. Singles and doubles. You know, today someone texted me at the end of the day, and someone I've been working with, and came here, spent a week with me, and I'm not going to mention the person's name. I just want to tell you, every single day, this person is consistent. This is exactly what I do every single day. This is my goal. It brings me so much joy. There are rules to this game, but if you adhere to the rules and you firmly stick with the methodology, understand the patterns, it's just a remarkable way to earn a living, period. Okay? All right? I know, we've been between 400 and 500. Miss Valerie, how are you, Miss Valerie? Von D, how are you? All right. Michael Melita, how are you? We got to get to 1,000 here. Come on, let's do this. Burnster, no audio. We got audio. Can somebody tell Burnster he needs to pump up the volume? All right. All right. That 60-minute time frame I told you yesterday on the gold. Singles and doubles, JL. Absolutely, brother. Singles and doubles. Joshua Pratt, long gold. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Fun all around. We got audio. Pump it up, baby. That's it. Kaboosh. Pump up the jam. Pump up the volume. Pump up the jam. Buenas noche. Where is gold heading today? Tonight? Do you trade options? No, Melvin. 1088. No, sir. I want to see Amerifast. I want to see you guys be all great traders. My father once said to me, Steven, be great, not good. That's all that made a difference to me. Be great, not good. Nobody remembers good. People remember great. Bitcoin pushing up here. Bitcoin. Anybody trade Bitcoin futures? Danny, you guys trade Bitcoin futures on my fund, the futures, right? Oh, Danny went out to walk the dog. And if anybody new is here, or anybody would like to reach out to me, you can please text me. How can I learn your strategy? Come to my website and join and be part of that community. I'll teach you my methodology. It's serious. You can see things like that. Okay, the way okay?
Chat, I'm here. My wife was making tacos.
Denny's eating tacos. Yeah, let me show you this really great pattern here on Bitcoin. Okay, using the 60-minute time frame right here. Kaboom. Right here. Deep oversold condition on the 60. Beautiful bull flag. Look at this Bitcoin up 1,200. 109,400. Boom. Kaboom. 1,000 points up. Great pattern. All right. Let's see here. Taco Thursday. Fun all around. His wife is making tortillas. Hey, everybody, welcome. Lou with... I can't even see. Lou with Onlet. I can't even see it. Everybody, welcome Louie, Gary BB, Pit Trades, Taco Time. Oh, yeah. YJ965, I like the shirt. Dude, you like this shirt or what? Look at this shirt, baby. I brought this. Look, I got a whole slew of them. Whole slew of them coming. That's what I'm talking about right here. Oops, right here. Look at that. American flag. Big old USA. Look at that. Stars and stripes right there. Damn. When I had my Traders Cafe, everybody's got to wear one of these. Right? Everybody. What I think with the CPI? I don't know. I think it's probably going to come in line. I think you got gasoline prices down, right? I mean, except for today, it was up over 5%. Um, I don't know. Eggs are down 86%. I don't know. CT Clutch at USA, baby. Greatest country in the land. How's Hendrix? He ate me out of. I literally had to go to the dog store and pay. I bought $280 worth of food for between food, treats, and bones. My Henny, good boy. My Henny boy. My Henny. All right. I'm looking at. Just looking to buy that gold there until I switch to Bitcoin here. Nice little bull flag here. Positive MACD 40.5. All right. Down $1.50 here. What happened? Steve Fever has spread to a lot of kabooming and kabooshing. Oh yeah, a lot of kabooming and kabooshing. You guys like that? Kabooming and kabooshing? I'm thinking about doing t-shirts here on kabooming and kabooshing. David ZH2CZ, welcome back. Yeah, my Hendrix doesn't stop. And then when I'm standing and I don't pay him enough attention, he comes. So Hendrix is Shepherd, Great Dane, and Golden Retriever, and he goes like this with his big head, and he wants me to pet him for a half hour. How can you join in the morning session? You go to my website, sktrading.live. Unbelievable day in there. We absolutely we do very, very well. Very, very well. What is your website link? sktrading.live. sktrading.live. If I can type it, sktrading.live. Boom. There it is. All right. Anybody new here tonight? We got a couple new people. If you make a hoodie cabooshed, I'm buying all the colors. CT Clutch, right? I tell you, I got kaboom and kabooshed. Did everybody see the kaboom and the kabooshed? I'll show it to you. This is the kaboom. Danny, let me hear the bull. This is the kaboom. You got the bull sound? That's it. Sounds like, I don't know what that sounds like. And then ready, Denny? The one and only, Denny. Look at the kaboosh. That's what I'm talking about, baby. There you go, the kaboosh. Love this game. Love this game. Michael Pips, what's going on, brother? There you go. There you go. There you go. Got to get that. Oh, my God. Ethan, are you kidding me, Ethan? Really? What happened to gold tonight? Very quiet here. Very, very quiet. Rocky Mountain. Pork pistol is disgusting. 20 a pound. Well, I don't know. I think the CPI is going to probably come in as expected. That's what I think. That's what I'm thinking. 4150 is my level for to what? To short? Be careful. Be careful with the squatter watch. Take that bull to the to the vet. Dang. Get dang. Taki 3724. All right. Man, oh man. Man, oh man. Everybody welcome Medine NQ. I hope I'm saying it right. Mahedine Taki. Man, oh man. I need to put my glasses on. Bob Barker. Japanese PMI, 8 minutes. Guys, we only got 40 sign-ups. I'm not doing the giveaway. I'm not doing the giveaway. No way. 40 sign-ups. It's free. A free 7-day, Denny. Herbert threw an interception on the first pass. Oh, Harbaugh must have gone crazy.
Sounds like they just don't want it.
I don't know. We do this for free here, and it's a free. Artan's eating right now. Please don't bother him. Sinja JB 913. You guys, you got to click on the link if you want to play. I'm not doing this free giveaway anymore. It's a waste of time. Aaron takes a lot of time to do this. Gold just rallied 5. Okay, that's why I thought maybe one more push down there on the bull flag. Fiber Spice God. Right, once you win, you can't win again for 3 months. Good job. Happy
How many
kids.
people signed up right now, Steven?
What's that?
How many people signed up right now?
Only 40 for my guys, for my thing.
Sounds like I need to just, drop some of our giveaways down. Instead of 25, drop it down to 10.
Drop it down to 5.
5. Oh, I'm sorry. We're dropping it down to 5.
I mean, nobody really wants to sign up. This is crazy. It's free. Free 7-day. Well, then you sniper 7779. You got to sign up. Damn it, this gold.
He said scrim.
On the bull flag here. 40.5.
Chat, it's literally free. You're learning from a guy who's been trading for 43 years. 43. And you're going to be profitable from it.
I mean, it's free to join my live stream. What do we learn from the live stream? Give us a taste. Steven? BRN BBD. I'm not going to come to the live stream. You'll see. Okay. BRN BBD wants me to give him a taste. I'm showing you here. Okay. This is my software built on TradeStation. Okay. This is a double blue buy. It correlated with the 15 at the 30 and 60. Look at this. Look at this gold. A month? No month. It's 7 days. No, I don't think so. We don't have dupes. You can't dupe it. You can't. I said only people who won can't win again, not people who enter their name. Okay? All right? Nerman. Look at this gold. Very, very quiet. Sign up, folks. And can we get what CPI is tomorrow? You think SK up or down? I don't know. We'll just wait. I'll be here. I'm gonna stream at 8:20, guys, tomorrow. Pac-Man, thank you, Pac-Man. Thank you, Pac-Man. Damn. Look at the 60-minute turning up here. Should have taken that 40.5, 41 range. All right. I told myself I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive today. Thank you, Sniper. If you would have joined, you wouldn't have gotten smacked. Okay, you wouldn't have gotten smacked. No, S&P's relaxing sound. Damn, that's gold just rallied. That was a nice pullback. Gold just rallied 8. You got to put your name in. Martin. What's up, my friend Martin? How do you go to your live stream? Well, you can sign up on my website, sktrading.live. Okay? Mr. Gold Long, be careful. There's plenty of opportunities. Thank you, Behavin'. All right. What is your contact information? My cell phone number is 914-500-7484. All right. Winner, Sin, okay, ran into sell ice. What? Jeez. Hungadon 4354. I can't even read. I gotta get my glasses. Look at that S&P 77 up to 80. Hey, did you guys like the market on close today? Okay, did you hear what I said today with 3 billion for sale? Michael Jacques, Joel, JR, Jeff, Thomas. Did you hear me remember when I said when it pushed up to 76 and a half, 77 and a half, take the short, right? Let it rally into the close, short it, and then boom, it got kabooshed right after the close. Do you remember that? That's how you trade the market on close, baby, with the imbalance. That was a great short right here. You see this push down right here? It was announced right here, 350, right? It pushes right back up. I said, look to short 76 and a half to like 82 and a half, whatever. Push up to 78, and then look at that. Boom, it's down 5 handles. You could have shorted here, you could have shorted here, and you could have shorted here. And look what happened. 310, they got kabooshed. And look at the push up into the negative MACDs here. This beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, beautiful, right? That was Michael Jacques. That was 3 phenomenal, great shorts, right? All right, that's how you trade a market on close and balance. I've been doing that for years. 3 billion for sale. You let it. You wait. You don't short it right away. You wait for the push up, push up, push up, push up, short it, and then kabooshed. Okay. Nasdaq. Kaboom. Yep. Gold just got kabooshed. Let's get those likes up. Can we get to 700? Denny, if we get to 700, 800, can we do something special?
Well, Steven, you know I don't like setting a number because then we get some people with funny ideas about botting us up. However, if we can get to, I'll go 650, and if we can stay at 650 for 30 minutes, I'll go and do 25, or not 25, but 30 giveaways again like we did last night.
Wow, there you go. Hey,
Dodgers, I don't think you're cheaters. I just don't want us to get botted. Okay?
Yeah, no bots.
Getting botted on any stream is bad for business. We don't want bots.
No. If we get to
Ms.
650,
Valerie, I'm sorry. They're my tacos.
Alfie, Taki, woot woot. Okay.
I mean, if y'all want to say that you're cheaters, last night kind of proved that we did have cheaters in the chat. Am I wrong?
No, that's not cool. Gabriel Trades, what's going on? ISO Tick, Wild Deuces, Pork Pistol, Taki, 3724, Leo, 6669. Come on, guys, no dupe entries. Denny is going to be pissed.
I don't do it with the whole cheating.
Jay Fault, how are you, Jay? Corp Trades, never once. It was
actually
never. JB with God. Hello, what's up, brother? God bless you, man. Okay.
Kagustin, I actually put it into a
Caxton.
I put it into something that told me that we actually had 10 people in the chat or in the forum who put double entries.
Oh my God. Gitmo. Brian, do I think it's going to get to 40? It could get to 38. Why? Don't tell me you're short there. Gitmo. That's what I say. Gitmo. You cheat, we send you right to Gitmo. Right? Guantanamo Bay. Ban the people.
There goes gold.
Just dropped 7. Gitmo, and Gitmo. Feedings for losers. Kick him out, Denny. Oh, wow, Denny, they're fired up here. They're fired up. All right, so today I want to show you a really great pattern here on the GLDs. Off the 30-minute, this produced a $16 rally. You see the positive MACDs here, yellow over blue. The ADX is off. No big buying or selling pressure on this particular time frame here. The algorithm reversed to buy. Now you see these yellow dots? When these yellow dots are into the blue like that, it's telling you a lot of strength here. A lot of strength, okay? A lot of strength. And then when you got this oversold condition right into the 10 bar, the oversold into the positive MACD, No trend here. Gold rallied in about an hour and a half. 16. What a Picasso. Well, you shouldn't be blowing accounts. What are the yellow dots? The yellow dots represent the price within the algorithm. Okay? All right. Hey, brother. My Fund the Futures link. You can't handle the truth. That was a great movie. Great movie.
Guys, My Fund the Futures giveaway will not be dropped until 8:45, okay? Then you have 15 minutes. 15 minutes to all the chat. That way everybody hears it. 15 minutes to sign up. And then the link is getting unpublished. If you do not sign up, please do not come crying. Okay? Magnus does this in the morning. So this is how I'm doing it at night as well. And also, I'm still letting all of y'all sign up. Magnus makes it where there's only like 200 that can sign up with a very short amount of time. So only one entry, 15 minutes to sign up. Okay? 8:45. All right, no more interruptions, Steven. I apologize.
All right, good buddy. Let's get this gold up here. This gold gets down to, let's see if this gold, I need to see this gold push down a little bit more here. Where's this gold going here? Rally 3. At 8:45, Denny is going to post the sign up. And then Aaron's going to post my sign up as well. Denny's right, though. I mean, we've been working at this. We've been giving people. Drop the link at 8:45. Say we follow suit. Okay. Yep, we're gonna drop my link too at 8:45. You know, I mean, I've given away 160 free 7-day to my live stream. Free. It's nanosecond, so that costs me money. And I'm doing it for free. Free. And I guess you guys, you know, if this doesn't, I'll make a decision this week if I'm going to do that anymore. Because this costs me a lot of money. Aaron works on this all night. I work on it. It's not that easy to, you know, scan and put everybody's name in and, okay. That's it. Just chill, relax. Boy, gold's been quiet. After Monday, when gold was going hog wild for 27, I was actually soaking. I was dripping. I was dripping. Can we get to 650? Then he will do some more. How'd you lose $70 on that last account, Glenn IH2 buy? Pac-Man, what unit were you in? Oh, that's different. All right. Very quiet. All right, this is normally the ES in hibernation. Man, was it dead there for a while. I mean, the S&Ps were trading between 83 and 87 for the longest period of time. Longest period of time. By Telegraph Systems. What did I say? I said soaking wet, right? I forgot what I said. Aaron says we don't get a minimum of 100 signups. We're not doing the gift. I agree. This is crazy. Okay. What's up, everybody? Pine Tree Trader. Guys, it's a free giveaway. I mean, you guys don't even want to sign up. I'm not doing it. Aaron's right. If we don't get 100, minimum of 100, I'm not doing this. I may not do it anymore. Okay? I mean, we're trying to do this here. It's quiet. We're waiting patiently. Raphael trades. Well, if you don't if you don't get 100, I'm not. Aaron said he forbids us to do it. Let's see. Look at Fa Veritas. Have you joined the live stream, Fa Veritas? How you like it? Fill the coolers. There's no H in the coolers. It's COOLAS. Coolers. Can you send the link again, Jack Skeltron? We got to get to 650. That's another thing. What are they saying? Jay Fault, you're very welcome. Jay Fault. Man, oh man. Look at this. Dead. The eighth wonder of the world. How are the S&Ps and NASDAQ here? Almost near all-time highs. Yeah, you know what? That's why my live stream, you don't trade alone. You got a mentor, 43 years. I'm explaining the patterns, the technology, the trades. We can't even break 500. That's a joke. There should be 1,000 to 1,500 people on here. I understand the markets are quiet. That's out of my control. Out of my control. That's out of my control. Andre Walken, how are you? 217. This is brutal. Those are rookie numbers. I agree. Taki. Yeah. Well, NASDAQ ripped because Tesla ran 35 off the lows. But, or a little bit more. 35 off the lows. But, everybody, Wellberries is having a night out. He just checked out. He's exhausted. Very, very quiet here. Taco's hard shell. YouTube is slower with the followers as opposed to TikTok. Probably. How do you sign up? You got to go to My Funded Futures to sign up for my giveaway and my Funded Futures giveaway. Gold stock. Well, it wasn't like that today. Gold had some really good movement today. Really, really good movement. Here, I'll show you. Look at this great pattern here on the 15. This is what you want. You see patterns like this here. This push up right around 1815, push up to 49, overbought into the negative MACD, and then even on this next bar, boom, 49. Look at that, 49 to 32. Kabooshed. Kabooshed. Kabooshed, kabooshed, and kabooshed. All right, don't push the people that are here. Maybe lower the amount of giveaways. We could lower the amount of giveaways. Let's see here. Don't think this. So quiet. Very, very quiet here. All right. We got the market opening. 105 signups. All right, we got 205. Can we get to 200? Make it worthwhile. I mean, we have close to 500 people between the two YouTubes. Where do you sign up? You go to sktrading.live. Where do you sign up? You have to go to My Funded Futures YouTube and or my YouTube, SK Trading. 500 watching, 200 likes. Let's smash the thumbs up, baby. What am I thinking for gold? Well, I'll tell you right now, if this gold takes out the 53 level, okay, which is about 8 higher, and this flips positive looking like that, gold will be in a positive trend. S&P's just got kabooshed. Let's get the likes up here. Man, oh man, this is brutal. All right, market's going to open at 9 o'clock. What do you say, up and then down or down and then up? Denny, where's Luke been? How's Luke been doing?
Steven, Luke has been super busy lately. He's been really, really busy.
The Sports Don saying, what about no giveaways? It's a trading show, not a Price is Right. We're not looking for that.
I'm
We're just
fine
trying
with
to...
that, chat.
Huh?
If they don't know, he's saying, how about we don't do any giveaways? We just talk about trading.
I know, I agree, but it's quiet here, so might as well. I mean, we're trying to do something nice for people. You know, we're trying to do...
Yeah.
Okay, so when the market opens, we're going to go up and then down or down and then up? There goes the gold here off the 5. I was thinking about buying this here at 42, but could have bought 42s, 42 and a halves. Giveaways are awesome. I think the giveaways just give it away for people down and then up. China wants to be buying gold at cheaper prices. Okay, we'll see. So the market really was led today, oil and oil stocks. Really, this is really brutal here. Gold's been within a $2 range. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do this. Oh, Denny, they're saying the link says for 1022. Well, there's two types of trading. Okay, there's scalp trading and pattern trading. Just to let you know. Scalp trading. Am I tired? Well, it's a long day. I mean, we've been here. All right, Aaron said we only got a very little turnout, so we'll only do 15. It's not worth it for us, guys. You know, we're trying to do something nice here, but I guess, you know, 15 giveaways. That's it. No problem. Don't worry. Be happy.
How many people did you get signed up?
What?
How many people did you get signed up?
105.
Do 10% of that.
10?
That's what we should. That's what we should start doing from now on. 10% of however many people sign up.
So 10% of 500 is 5.
Yeah. No.
Oh. 10%.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, 5.
But you had a. Hang on. No, that doesn't sound right. It should be 50.
50.
Yeah.
You're talking 1%.
Wait a minute. Yeah. So no, I'm saying do 10% of the amount of people that signed up for your giveaway. You had 100 people sign up, so do 10.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Right. I thought you were talking about, okay. Water's fast results. How you like it so far, Water fast results? How do you like the 7-day free trial? Florida, how you like it?
Chat, I will say I'm a little disappointed because I'm seeing how many people sign up for ours, And you're telling me that all of y'all could not go and sign up for Stevens when he's really giving y'all some very great knowledge and giving away just free spots for y'all to come and learn from him for 7 days.
What's up, Bread 5646? Now I would have taken this long here, but the 43 and a half, but this Chinese market's gonna pop up here soon. Thank you, AHJB7. If you won, you can't win again. Correct, for 3 months. So maybe what I'll do, okay, you work during the day, that's fine. You could listen to me. Which chart and patterns? You probably would look for for swing trades, the daily with the weekly, and using the 60-minute time frame. Daily with the weekly. Yes, sir. I agree, Leo 6669. Great job. So we'll do how many want to do? We'll do 10 tonight. 10% of our. If we did 500, I'll give 50 away. How's that? I'll give 50 away. Right? There goes the gold right back up.
Steven, I would think that people, when you have the opportunity to win accounts and learn from a master of trading, you would think that they would sign up for both to win both that one night. That way they're not ending up just getting a free account and blowing it.
Yeah. Hey, RX Trade. I appreciate that. Ryan Nichols. Okay, just remind me tomorrow. I'll give you the link. There's no room to trade 9 to 4 hardest working guy you will meet. Thank you, James Dean. I really appreciate that. And I really try to help people really from learning how to scale in and scale out, learning how to trade using, learning how to use understand the patterns. Understand that you need to trade with the underlying ETFs during the U.S. session. Yeah. Ryan, thank you. I'll have you have a link in the morning. Thank you, Jay Boone 716. See, people like that, I appreciate that. What do you mean I'm not seeing in the chat? I've only announced it. I'm like 100 times. Alaska Airlines just grounded all flights. Whistleblower, rest in peace. Text me 914-500-7484. Whistleblower. Or you think everyone is dumb here? I don't think people are dumb here. Hey, Lance, how are you? All right. Well, you got to trade with confidence, right? And so when you get significant volatility, you cut your size down, widen your entries, and I think you'll do very well. Yelling in, Eddie Sargent, text me 914-500-7484. Infin 80K51. Peace, my brother. Would take Steve's training versus an account. Well, VWAP QQQ, you could text me 914-500-7484. Okay? Hotkeys, I don't like hotkeys. I'm gonna have my live account here. I'm gonna go click, 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 click. This gold's gonna turn up here. I think gold goes up and then down, or just go up and stay up. Remember, this gold takes out this 53. We gotta look to buy pullbacks right here, 53 and a half right here. That's when my algorithm reverses to buy. And this is a beautiful pullback on. I wanted to get long here. Hold on, Aaron's calling me. Yeah, brother. You can't. Yeah, no, I don't know. Don't be that way yet. We'll see. We'll see. All right. You want to post the 10 names? We'll post 10 names. All right. Well, maybe we'll do 10 more later. All right. All right. Aaron took the on upon himself. Okay. All right. These are the winners. Oh, there goes the gold. These are the winners. Aaron's gonna post the winners. Nasdaq Kaboosh. I don't think so. Not yet. S&Ps, if they get down to the 74 and a half, 79 and a half range, 79 and a half. All right, these are the winners. Congratulations. All right, Jack Skeltron. There you go. Hey, Jack. There you go, Jack. What time is the best time to text me? Right after 10 o'clock. Gold just rallied 5. All right, fun all around. Congratulations. Andrew Hockin, 216. Andrew, congratulations. D-God. Coach Gabriel, 34. Michael Barr, 7809. Just GZ6C, congratulations. A2 Bahathia, congratulations. Drewski, 550, congratulations. And we got Max VU7TR, congratulations. Those are the 10. Andrew Hawkins, congratulations, my brother. There you go. There goes the gold. Beautiful pull back into the positive MACD. Told you this gold's going to go here, but we have this number coming out soon. Congratulations, Max. Congratulations. If you guys, if we get this to another, if we get this to 650, I'll do 20 more. How's that? Okay, I'll do 20 more. And it's free. Free. It's free. Okay, it's free to join my live stream. Listen to me carefully. It's free. Okay? All right. Congratulations to the 10 winners. Cheater. Okay, Jimmy Dean. 8730. All right, 650. 650. If we get to 650, I may do 40 more. We'll see. 40 more that could win to get access to my live stream for 7 days free. Free. I understand a lot of you work, okay? But those of you who are trading, you should not be trading alone. Freebird. Free. One of my favorite songs. What's my prediction on gold? JP Morgan thinks gold's going to 8,000. They also said about a week ago that gold's going to 30% lower. I don't know if it was them, but some big institution. S&Ps can't cancel the buy range. You should let them know if that. Do you like the live stream? Those of you who won, who have been part of this. J Boone 716. J Boone, text me 914-500-7484. All right, I have learned a lot from SK and his team. I knew zero about trading 4 months ago, and I'm consistent making money. Thank you, Josh. You're a good man, Josh. I hope to see you in January. What is my stream? You live in Japan, ADP Garza. It's sktrading.live. That's my website. All right, so whoever called down and then up, looks like they're going to win here. You don't see the link for the live stream? You got to go to my website. You got to go to the website. I say 5,000, Gabriel. I say 5,000 by April. I like to see a pullback to 36.50 first, but I don't know if that's going to happen. Has a drawing for what account? My account? No, we just did 10. If we get to 650, I'll do 40 more. Gold, caboose, and right back up. So whoever said down and then up, I said up and then down. Wong trade, Jim. Hello. And again, I'm here to help anybody, so I give out my cell phone for free. And I return everybody's call. Silver. ADP Garza, congratulations. Did you win, ADP Garza? Oh, no, I just gave you. No, I just gave you the information. Okay. All right. S&Ps just ran 2, 2.5, 2 3/4. Come on, gold. What are you doing to me? Bitcoin all-time new high? Not now. I think Bitcoin and S&Ps are going to get cabooshed. I think yeah, I think the market's going to trade lower. I do. I think everybody's calling for 7,500. People were calling for 5,000 on gold, 8,000 on gold. I think the market goes down before it goes up. Now, I was one of the first people in the country back in November of last year to say that the market was going to, when the S&Ps were trading around 5,800, I said 6,500, okay, within a year. Now, when we got to 4,800, go check my Twitter. I said, back up the truck, buy the world. I said, Bitcoin, when it was 76, 77,000, I said, look to buy the market, forget you have it. There was no way the S&Ps were breaking 4,800. No way. No way. No way. No way.
2 minutes.
What happened? You mean record it?
No.
No, there's nothing here to do.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Gold drop and then rally. Be careful being short this gold. Okay? Be careful. Should have bought it. Let's just try here. Let's just see. Anyway, so NASDAQ new highs just ran about 10. Look at this gold right back up. Jesus, Lord God, 5. Okay. Bitcoin 70. I think Bitcoin can go down. I agree. Look at silver. What's silver doing? Oh, gold making new highs here. There it goes. There it goes, baby. So whoever said down and then up, what's silver doing? Oh my God, silver's doing the opposite. Remember, if I told you if gold takes out that 53.5, the 15-minute time frame will reverse to buy. Right here. Look at the yellow dots getting close. Getting close. What is my web address, Jersey Jim? It's sktrading.live. sktrading.live. Again, if anybody wants to talk, give me a call. My number is 914-500-7484. My God. Very quiet. Your back is killing you? I'm standing. What do you mean, what do you mean gold stopped you out? Why? I was saying this is a buy here. What are you doing? Don't tell me you're trying to short it. I don't understand what you're talking about. Stupid gold, of course, stopped me out twice before. You can't trade gold with a dollar stop. I mean, I don't even know what you're doing. Star Sins, let's go, baby. Good job on the long. Trader Sins. Look, we can't even stay over 500. This is crazy. What's going on here? You were long, but the drop. But what do you? Because I was in 2 to 3 minis. Then go wide on your entries. Raj Motor, Rat Motor. There you go. I said this is a long here. Okay? But I was getting close. First of all, you can't put, you got to go wide on a range. You cannot trade gold for a $2 range. You'll get stopped out 100 times in a row. 100 times. Good job, Shawino. Gold's going to push up here. Gold's going to go to 54.5, 55. Remember last night, people were mocking me and said on TikTok, oh yeah, gold's going up. Yeah, okay. Gold's going to 40, 50, 40, 30. I said, not with these 60-minute time frames, they're not. I open up to my phone, 4:30 in the morning, 4:45. Gold, 41.44, right? Bullish or bearish on the NASDAQ? How do you sign up? Sorry if I already asked. You have to go to SK Trading, my SK Trading YouTube or My Funded Futures YouTube to sign up for the link. All right. Now this pattern here, okay, on the S&Ps is what's called the double blue buy. The 5 correlating with the 15, 30, and 15, 30, and 60. This is why I was calling gold 79.5. If you bought it, I'd kick it out. If you didn't, look at this gold. All right, look at the gold. New highs on the day. There's no reason to stop yourself out. If you're buying gold, you got to go like a $2 to $3 range. So if you're going to go, anybody get long the S&Ps? NASDAQ just ran about 17. You got to give it room. You got to give it room. You can't be stopped out on gold. Look at this. 30-minute MACD's non-confirmation. 60s as well. If this gold gets up to 55.80 to 63.80, I'd look to short it. Now the 15s are going to reverse to buy. Then you look to buy the pullback on the 5-minute. What? In September, SK call was 3,800. I didn't say that. I did not say that. I never said that. John? 3,800? No way. John, I did not say that. So if I give a range, you gotta do like a $5, $6 range, maybe $8 range. And you have to scale in properly. I'm the master of teaching how to scale in and out of trades. Gold short 55.80, okay, 55.80 to 63.80. So I'm giving an $8 range, okay. So that means I knew this. Why would you stop yourself out on this gold? All right, if you sold this here, just cover between the 54 and a half and 56 range if you're short, okay. Now I don't get that at all. I just don't get that. Kaboosh on the gold. Just trade it in and out, okay? Bingo. But that was just a $2 drop. I don't understand. I said 6,500. I didn't say 3,800. A million screens? Yeah, there's a reason for it. Exactly. If this gold gets up again to 58.80 to 64.80. Actually, I go 58.80 to 56.80, 66.80. I'll look to short it. Okay, there's a big bear flag setting up here. Why the kaboosh thing go? It went down like 2 or 3. In this market. Oh, there are 2 chats. What did gold just get up to? Just got to trade it in and out. Jeff Smith, kaboom. That's why I don't understand. Why would you stop yourself out here? You got the 60. I left the 60 up here for a reason. If you okay. Now you do have some sell divergences here on the 60, but you're not overbought yet. Why you guys don't go giveaways the stream besides the sign up? What? Fun all around. You won. Strong Hills, if you ever want me to teach you Strong Hills, just text me 914-500-7484. Captain Price, I would cancel the short range on gold. I don't understand what you do. King Taco. You got to trade the micros effectively. Okay? If you want to call me, I'll help you with that. Please. Okay? ICT made Trig 65 on the plane. Ha! I love it. On the plane. Beautiful. Unbelievable. 164 on 3 accounts. Glenn IH2BY, text me 914 500 7484. Text me. Now cabooshed. Here we go. If you're short the gold from before, again, lower your stops. Okay? Or just look to cover shorts here. Do we have a scotch? No, I don't drink during the air. 100 minis? Who's trading 100 minis on gold here? Johnny Walker Black Club Soda on the rocks. I just had one at dinner. Delicious. Tall glass. Tall glass. Tall glass. It is. It's going to go. The 15s are going to reverse to buy. All right, 537. If we get to 650, look at the S&Ps go. NASDAQ, new highs. Gold pushing up. This gold is going to go to 60. If this gold gets to 60.80, 68.80, I'd short it. So basically, gold's going to fly. I know. I said at some point, Denny explained the giveaway, blah, blah, blah. Watch out. Gold's going to go. NASDAQ soaring. Oh, that market sense. Okay. Bullish or bearish on NASDAQ. I don't understand what you're saying. Today, tomorrow, silver or buy. I didn't even look at silver. All right. Keys, NASDAQ. This is the 8th wonder of the world. How is the market up? But you trade what you see. The 60? Yeah, look at the 60-minute MACD, Brian. It's non-confirming here. So hopefully, if we get through 60, 63, these 60s will get overbought, right? Gold's going to go here. What is NASDAQ?
Steven,
What's
have
up,
you already
brother?
done some of your giveaways?
How many?
Have you already done some of your giveaways?
I did 10. If we get to 650, I'll do 40 more.
All right, I'll do 10 right now then. How about that?
All right. Then he's going to do 10.
Let me share my screen.
I agree, Drew believes. You got to be in cash here. S&P's gold.
All right, chat.
Oh, my God.
You see,
Cancel the gold short. If this gold gets up to 59, let's wait. Cancel the gold. Go ahead, Danny.
hang on.
Look at this gold drop 4. I was looking for 60.80. I would cancel the gold short.
Come on. There we go.
Come on, if we get another 120, I'll do
Okay.
40 more giveaways.
All right, chat. So I'm doing Chat GPT for the first 10, and then I'll do the wheel for the last 10 or 15 if we can get up to like 650 in viewers. Okay. Please don't bot us. I will know because bots like to join up and then leave after a certain amount of time. Anyway, I will tell you right now, I took all the emails, posted it here, and said, check for duplicates. I am happy to say that there is no duplicates tonight. So, chat, thank you for doing it the right way. Now, I'm going to tell chat to randomize this and pick 10 winners.
Here are the names.
All right. So here are 10 winners. Vaquel, Jackie G, Michael, Todd Marlowe, Learnt Trading, Rajmi Kumar, Shiwung Ikumari, JC Trades, Pierre Joseph, and Wu Outside. How's it rigged? How's ChatGPT rigged?
Who said it's rigged?
2 guys. I want to know how.
That's not cool. That's not cool.
JC won off the wheel yesterday, and then he won off of ChatGPT. It's 2 separate programs. It's definitely not rigged. Come on, chat. I'll stop doing giveaways at night if we're going to keep on with this. I don't like it. Come on, please.
Gold hits 59 drop. Congratulations. Our target is 4170. I can see that.
All right. I'm not spoiled. Nothing spoiled for me,
Oh
Ethan.
my God. Gold just got kabooshed. $5.
Congrats to all the winners.
Jesus. All right. See the gold pushing up there to new highs here. The 60-minute MACDs can confirm. I thought we were going to get a big push up through 60. Supermortem. I don't think they're. Oh, look at this gold. Oh my God. Kabooshed. Oh my God. $6 on the gold drop. $7. You want to sign up, Freddie Hayes? My live stream is sktrading.live, or if you want to be part of the raffle, it's too late for my funded futures. You're only doing 10, right, Denny? That's it?
I'm only doing 10 for right now. If we get up to 650 in viewers, then I'll do 15 more.
See that? Harachu,
Oh,
who are you waiting
I'm
for?
sorry,
My funded
Steve.
futures or my stream? How do you sign up? It's too late. Which one, Freddie? SK Trading That Live. Jack Lynn for 41.59. You got short? Did it get there? Nope, missed it. Next, Warner Trading. Oh man, I thought we were gonna get one more push up and then a drop. Okay. Anybody get that long on the S&Ps below 79.5? S&Ps just ran 5. That's a double blue buy on the S&Ps. Gold just dropped 7. You missed it. And is it quiet? Arton, what's going on? Why is it quiet like this? This is brutal. You got the long on the NASDAQ, LG. Good job. That was the same pattern. Unbelievable. Gold just dropped 8. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so the 15-minute time frame reversed to buy here. All right. You can see the 15 reversed to buy. Oh my God. If this go, oh my God. I would try to look to buy this gold here. You got to go wide, 33.5 to 43.5 range gold. LGIY, just give me a text, 914 500 7484. Look at this gold drop 12. Now the strategy is you want to buy the first pullback on the oversold condition on the 5 after the 15 reversed. So you want to short that. Okay, that's what I was looking for. And then you look for the pullback to get long. Oh my God, 13. Good job, Vac Creasy. What time's the next raffle? What time's the next raffle? Oh, well, if we don't get to 650, there is no more raffle. Might be a little bit too low, 45.5. Unbelievable. Got to be patient. So you understand that the 15 reverses to buy right here. If this gold gets down to the 35.5, 45.5 range, I'd look to buy it. Just ran 3. I thought we were gonna get down to 43.5. S&Ps, NASDAQ. S&Ps just dropped 1.5. Making new highs, non-confirmation on the 15. 5s aren't oversold. How do we know when to get in? You're anticipating the oversold. You're anticipating the oversold. Indicator 3. Hopefully we get another push down. I have to drink 100 ounces of water a day. Look at that, up 5. NASDAQ, S&Ps just dropped a buck and a half. That ain't even moving. Gold just ran 5. Oh yeah, I hope we didn't miss it. And 5. Yes, you get an email. Artan, I'll see you later. I don't blame you, Artan. If this Jesus, gold just ran 6. Damn it! No, if we get to 600 people, they'll open up the giveaway. They'll open up the ability to sign up again. That's not true.
No, Steve. No.
No, we're fair. I said if we get to 600, 650, we will then.
I will pick 15 more winners.
Okay.
But from 8:30 or 8:45 to 9 o'clock every day, I'm posting the My Funded Futures link for everybody to sign up. If you're in the chat and you're watching, then that means you have a chance to sign up for it. But what I've noticed is that at night, after 9 o'clock, most of the time we'll start getting a spike in viewers, and that's only people who want giveaways, not here that's watching the entire stream. Does that make sense?
Corp Trades, text me 914-500-7484. We're cooked. Arton left the building. It's quiet. What's up, Robert? 1859. Vultures. PG contract 729. You could text me 914-500-7484. All right, S&P's just got. Oh my God Almighty! I was gonna say shortly. Oh Jesus! Nasdaq just dropped 12. Steven, come on. Andre, good night. Go ahead, brother. Oh my. Nasdaq just dropped 15. S&P's, oh my God, dropped 3. The new highs, the non-confirmation on the 15s. Right here, 85.5. Look at this. Look at this, non-confirmations here. I hate trading the indexes this late, though. Nasdaq, you can see the Nasdaq, the identical same pattern. $21, 15 down. Oh my God, look at this Nasdaq. Very quiet. Get those views, baby. Oh my God, S&P is down 3. Look at the Nasdaq. Oh my God. I won't sleep tonight. What a cabooshin. What a shame. Nasdaq just got cabooshed. The non-confirmation. Oh my God. S&P is down 4. Oh, from the tip of my tongue to say short. My God. I think gold is going to go up from here. Yes. What a short. You see the non-confirmations? The Nasdaq. I just can't believe it. Look at this Nasdaq. What a piece of. I know. I see it. Oh my God. S&P's. Nasdaq just dropped 25. All right. Can't look back. Stay cabooshed. What? NASDAQ, you got the long and then the short. Good job, Eddie Sargent. The non-confirmations. I was staring at the NASDAQ, then I looked at the gold, and I was like, okay, do we buy the short the NASDAQ at 20 and the S&P is at 85.5? I'm sick to my stomach. How about the NBA? How about the NBA? They arrested, what, 100 people with the gambling? I can't stand basketball. The most, oh my God. Golden Street fight. I agree. Kabooshed! As gold, I would cancel the buy range. Should we be looking for long soon on gold? Yes. All right. So I guess I'm only going to do 10 giveaways tonight. It's very slow. I'm so sick to my stomach. The non-confirmations, the 30 and 15s. Oh, good job, Shally J. Good job. Great job. Where I was I literally was looking at the NASDAQ. I turned. I said, okay, I'm going to short this 20 up to 30. And then it drops and it gets kabooshed. Like that. Like nothing. Like nothing. Can't stand the NASDAQ. I mean, I've traded it. They quote a big gambling ring. Unbelievable. And these are the same people. These are the same guys. Okay? Who talk crap about this country, but yet they're taking all the nonsense from China and looking the other way of what China does. It's just, I've been to everything you could think of. Daytona 500, 3 NHL finals, 10 Super Bowls, 5 World Series, you name it, okay? Only thing I haven't been to was in a Final Four. And that's on my bucket list for this year, next year. Okay, I love March Madness. I am glued to that TV for 3 weeks. Leave me alone. Leave me alone for those 3 weeks. I don't care if I'm watching Mount St. Mary's versus Princeton or whoever. I don't care. I'm watching my basketball. I love college basketball. I've been to All-Star games at Citi Field, NHL All-Star games. Never been to a Pro Bowl, but who wants to go to that? Okay? They don't even, okay? NFL, I'm really into college football first. I'm really not into, I mean, I'll go to a pro football game, but I don't know. Josh, good night. All right. Man, oh man. All right, if this gold, let's see if this gold can go a little lower. Yukon, I love it, love it, love it. If this gold gets down to the 33 and a half, 43 and a half range, I would go wide every 2.5 if it gets down there. Can we win against? No. You know, I don't want to sound political or anything like that, but you know, I wasn't a fan of taking the knee. You know, so look at the shirt I'm wearing. Are you crazy? So. I can't wait to get my Traders Cafe going. Damn it, look at this NASDAQ. Ugh. 20 on the NASDAQ, 4 on the S&P. There goes the gold, 43 and a half. There you go. Right to my number, 43 and a half. See, 5s are getting oversold. Oh my God. Can you imagine the Traders Cafe? Right after trading, we all go in the lounge room, 90-inch television, 2 of them, right? Can you imagine big lazy boy chairs? Everybody's chilling at the Traders Cafe. Look to scale out this gold, 45 to 47, 48. right? Can you imagine the Traders Cafe in West Palm? OMG. Oh my God. I'll never leave. Shower, I'll make a bed, then we'll have, I'll get Jeff W. there. He'll teach all the webinars with me at night. And then we go right into the lounge because I got to come back and do the Tokyo session. Julian, absolutely, Julian. Pet friendly. Hendrix is going to run the whole joint. My moose. Oh my God. Heaven, JT, you have no idea. Will there be a cafe in Jupiter? No. Digicap? No. I'm going to build, God willing, West Palm. God willing, West Palm. All right, let's see if we get this push up on the gold. Again, you got to go micros here. Gold got kabooshed. Let's see if we get this push up on the fives. Scale out of these longs, 41 up to 44. Holy moly, gold. The LA Dodgers in 6. Not bouncing, complete collapse. Give it a chance. Run those likes up. The Kaboosh Bear. Well, I called the short up here. I was trying to get 60. The high was 59. Dropped 20. Where's a Blue Jays shirt? Nah. I don't care who wins, really. Arton wants the Dodgers. Who else? How many people want the Dodgers? How many people want the the Blue Jays? Can't go all in. You got to scale in. Scale out of longs. And I told you when it got up to 45, I would have kicked it out. My own. Meep 67. Jays, Dodgers, no preference. I'm with the sports stand. Dodgers. My account is explode. 47 what? I didn't say to get long at 47. Scale out of longs here, 41 to 43, 44. Why would you buy the gold at 47? Why can you scale in on a 50K core account? Thus bear. How many contracts can you do? You can't just do one. What's he talking? How many can you scale in on a 50K core account? On micros. From the futures.
No. So a scale account, you start off with one if you're on a funded phase, right? A funded account, you start off with one con. Once you get above 1,000 in profit, you go to 2 cons. When you get above 2,000, then you go to 3 cons, and that's for a 50K scale account. 3 cons is the max you can trade on any 50K account that we have, other than the pro accounts. The pro accounts for funded, you can go to 5 cons.
That's hard to trade with a single lot entry, though.
On one, all you have to do is make $1,000, and then you can move up to another contract, to 2 cons.
I'd rather do an eval than a scale, no?
You mean a core or a pro?
A core account.
Core and scale both have the same rules. The only one that doesn't is the pro. The pro, you can start off using 5 automatically.
And what's the difference in cost?
$227 for a pro account, $77 for a core, $127 for a scale.
I rather, I don't know. That might seem pretty hard, though, people. I'd rather do a core account. I mean which one you
The
say?
pro.
The pro. You can't do. Look, I'm gonna be bluntly honest with you. Um, Even I'd rather there goes the gold. There goes the
You
gold.
can do so. Like Melvin is saying, you can do micros. You can do 10 micros. But just so everybody knows, 10 micros is only one mini.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but you can scale.
But you can scale.
But you can, yeah, you can scale with micros.
They want me to tell you to remove the rule.
I can't do that. That's not up to me.
That's not
I
up to
don't run my funded futures chat.
Oh, it's only up to minis?
So it's only limited on minis. You can
Got it.
have 3 minis or 30 micros, but it's 10 micros starting off. Once you get above 1,000 in profit, then it's 20 micros. After 20 or after $2,000 in profit, then it's 30 micros.
I think you can make 1,000 with 10 micros.
Well, 10 micros is one mini.
Yeah, but you can scale in better.
That's fair. That's true. That's true.
I mean, you can't do single lot entries with a mini. There's no freaking way you'll lose 98% of the time. I'm just telling you. You'll lose 98% of the time. 98. You know? That's what I would do. I'd rather go micros.
Murmur, if you ever reach $20,000 in profit on a pro account to where it triggers a live review, that is solely up to the risk management team. It just means that they're going to look at your account. They might move you to a live account, or they might say, hey, we want to see you trade more before moving you to a live account after you hit $20,000 in profit on that account.
I mean, right here, Jubilee Nexus said I made 1,000 with 2 micros on Nasdaq. That's doable,
It is.
I guess, unless you get the big wild
No,
swings.
no. I did not mean that as a question. I mean, it is. Ishmi, I don't know that. Like I said, I don't run my funded futures. I don't have access to that kind of knowledge.
Wow, the starting pitcher for the Jays. He's from Jupiter, Florida. Look at this. Jimmy Doo made 1,500 with 7 micros on gold. I see. There's ways to do it though. That's why you can do that.
It is, yeah.
I'd rather, if that's the case, then in my opinion, they should do 10 micros trading gold and 10 micros trading. Now, look at these S&Ps go. I mean, this gold. This gold got up to 42.80. I hope you kick some out. Hope you kick some out. Change the 80% split to make it 90. Makes it more interesting. Okay. Amerifast, I'm leaving at 10. We might as well sleep the rest of the night. This 15-minute time frame is going to turn up, and this gold should shoot up right around here. This oversold condition on gold, once it turns up like this gold should get another pop here. Very quiet. You got to understand the rules. I don't even understand the rules, to be bluntly honest with you. I don't even understand the rules. Nasdaq just ran 10. Oh,
Patrick,
you can't trade multi tickers symbols?
No, you can't. So you can as long as it's not equaling up to the amount of micros that you're allowed to have. So you can go one NQ micro and one ES micro if you want, except you're not allowed to hedge it. So you're not allowed to go one for a buy and one for a sell. You can't do that.
Right. I mean, that makes sense, though. I mean, that's rigging. That's trying to that's like Team Fugazi.
Yeah.
Bitcoin just ran 400 here. Aaron, are you there,
No
bro?
discounts right now.
Aaron, are you there, Aaron? Aaron? Is Aaron with me? Aaron? Oh, are there any discounts on my funded futures?
No, but we do have something called the Flex add-on for the core account, where now you can get $3,000 per payout instead of $1,000. So every 5 days, you can earn up to $3,000 in a payout.
Hey, Patrick Bateman. Aaron, are you there, Aaron? Where's Aaron?
Okay. I don't know your name because you just have a bunch of
told you I
lines.
trade my own.
I don't know your name because you just have a bunch of lines as your name, but you do realize M and Q and ES, they're connected together almost. They literally move almost identically. So you cannot short one and buy the other. Ishmi, they didn't give us a timeline of when it will end, but I mean, I would just get it as soon as you could. It's a very great add-on, and it's free. So it's not like it's costing any more money.
All right, I'm gonna do 10 more giveaways here. We only got like 12 minutes. These 15-minute time frames should start turning up here on the gold. Red contract for that. Gold going around 35 levels, Steven. Yeah, it could, but I'd be buying it. CPI predictions. Everybody's asking me about CPI. I think it's gonna be in line or lower than expected, because gasoline prices are down, and they say it excludes energy, food and energy. So let me just show you this pattern here on Bitcoin really quick. Bitcoin, I know it's late. Reverse to buy on the 15. Look at that positive MACD. Here's the first pullback on the 5-minute right here. Below 110, 200. Bitcoin just rallied right there. 500 in that 15-minute time frame. There goes the gold right back up. So this gold is going to go on these 15s here. And if you look at the 60-minute time frame, look at that. The 15 reverse to buy, correlated with the 60. You have a double, you have a buy disconnect. The 30 still negative, but what you do as a strategy is you buy the first pullback on the 5. And there it is. That's the 10. I'm sorry, the 5. I apologize. There's the 5 right here. I still think guys should do micros and scaling in versus the overall doing single lot entry. That's just my personal opinion. I think it's very difficult for you to trade single lot entry. Very, very hard.
Steven, can I interrupt real quick?
Yep.
Okay, so just so everybody can see, because everybody was like, you only get 5 micros. On the evaluation phase, you get 30 micros. It's a 10-to-1 for the core account. On the funded, yes, it is only 5-to-1. So you do get 5 micros per 1 mini. On the scale plan, it's the same thing. 10 micros on the evaluation, 1 mini. 5 micros for 1 mini on the funded phase. Okay? And then for the Flex add-on, Mirror, it is $3,000 per payout every 5 days. They take their 20%, which means they take about $600, so you get $2,400. That's still a lot better than only $1,000 for a payout. And that's every 5 days. And then for the scale plan, it's $6,000, and they take their 20%.
Right.
So they take 100, or they take 1,200. Then you get $4,800 every payout. Yes, but I mean, so if you're trying to make a $3,000 payout, It's up to $3,000. It doesn't have to be $3,000. It's up to $3,000. So that means you need to have $6,000 in profit on the account. But I mean, that leaves you more room for drawdown, because the drawdown stops after you hit $2,000 in profit. It doesn't follow you anymore at the end of day anyway, because we have EOD trailing. We have EOD drawdown, not trailing drawdown.
All right. Scaling in is all about psychology. I buy this gold here if it gets down to the 22 and a half, 30 and a half range. Again, here are the winners. Trading with Shinzo, Biddle, Badila Man, 237, PDA, Wiggy Trades, Glenn, Alberto, 5176, God, Family and Trading, great one. The Futures Trader, 1434, Extraordinary Cave Trader, Michael Malicha, MILATA, Jeffrey Vaughn, 5412. Congratulations. Scale out this long on the gold here, 30 or higher. S&Ps on the double blue again, just rallied 3. NASDAQ futures, again, right back up. NASDAQ futures, S&Ps, I really didn't do anything on that today. Kind of really tired, to be honest with you. Short was great, the pullback. We caught the long on the first pullback. Yeah.
Steven, how many did you just do? 10?
Pull of 20.
20? I'll do 10 more.
Oh my God. Denny's
I'll
going
match
to do
whatever
10
you're
more.
doing tonight.
Look at this perfect pullback. 81. 4 up. Oh my God, NASDAQ.
Millerite NCU. Figgy.
I get this gold to get one more push up. These 15 should give him gold to push up.
The Gray Horse.
There you go, the Gray Horse.
Don't forget, chat, starting next week, if I call your name and you're not up here, I'm moving on to the next person. Fiber Splice God.
Hey, Fiber Spice.
Wakehead. Alfie 95. RT or R Trade X. Christopher. Michael Pitts.
Michael Pitts. There you go.
Sam versus self-trading. And you know what? I feel like doing 5 more.
Oh, wow. Look at Denny.
Chat can't complain, though. I don't want to hear any complaining. I'm doing a lot of giveaways for y'all.
Any tucks, you could text me at 914-500-7484. Handy mine as well. You can text me as well.
Ethan, I'm not gonna lie, man. You're hilarious. Wendy.
Positive vibes, you could text me 914-500-7484. Any tucks?
Peter.
Here goes the goal right back up.
Ishmi. And then one more. Not even going to try and pronounce that. I don't want to butcher it. Xitaor. Congratulations to all the winners. I hope y'all had a great night tonight. We got 2 more minutes before the stream ends.
I want everybody to have a great weekend, a great day tomorrow, Friday, the CPI. Who blew out the accounts? J-Trade. J-Trade, you can give me a call, 914-500-7484. If anybody wants to give me a call, Handy My, you can call me. Go, what the F? It's going to push up. NASDAQ down 20, up 20. S&P's down 20, down 5, up 5. Actually, down 4, up 4.
Chat, I hope y'all have an amazing weekend. Hey, make sure you go outside, touch some grass. Don't stress over it. Get a little bit of back testing in. Make sure you're ready to go for next week. And, yeah, let's have a great weekend. Great morning tomorrow. I hope all y'all tune in to come and watch either My Funded Futures or watching Steven live if you won the 7-day trial. Make sure that you don't miss on claiming it. Keith. Ethan, anytime. I'm happy to be up here every single day with Steven and with y'all.
You know, you get some people here who don't know how to scale in and scalp and trade in and out. When I call along on something here and I say kick it out above 41.5 to 43, okay, and you're buying here and it drops to like 38 and it trades up $4. I'm looking for scalps on these longs. I'm not looking for a $50 move. A lot of these people, especially these people on TikTok, this one guy, I'm going to ban him for life. But I told him to call me. Let's see if he's got the you-know-what to call me. I'm just tired of the nonsense from people. You see what he did, love, here. There goes the gold right back up here.
Vakel, you don't have to do anything to claim your prize. It will, as long as you put your My Funded Futures email up there, you will receive your account. If you did not, starting next week, I'll make it fair. Just so everybody, all 357 of you that are watching right now, just to be fair, if you do not put your My Funded Futures email up there, we cannot send you your account. We're not going to email whatever email you give us just to try and give you your account. You won. If you put your My Funded Futures email up there, you will receive your account. If you did not, then you need to open up a ticket to claim yours, and you need to make sure that you start attaching the correct email, please, and thank you. Chat. In other news, it's 10:02. It's been a great week so far. Well, at least for the last 2 days that I've been here. I know Steven really appreciates everybody coming in and watching. I know us from My Funded Futures, we really appreciate y'all. And I hope y'all continue to come and watch us every single night. I think we can continue to have a great time. In other words, see y'all tomorrow morning. And I hope y'all have a great night.
I want to say, Denny, thank you. I'm so glad everything's okay with your daughter. And again,
Thank you.
I'm here, everybody, every single day from 9 to 4. Again, most important, I'm here. If you ever need any help, you guys can text me, 914-500-7484. I'm a little tired for the night. Good job. Who's that? Just made 500 on the night here. Good job. Artan.
Good job.
Artan. That's even a coffee money for you. All right. Have a great night, everybody. Denny, God bless. I'll see you Monday night. Everybody, God bless you, and God bless United States of America. Good night, everybody. Be well.
Have a good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs.
Take care, Denny. You have a good night, brother. Okay? I'm glad everything's okay with your daughter.